Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a double unboxing for the brand 90s Babies Cosmetics, and it's actually a really fun brand, and they have a lot of palettes that are more like nostalgic about like Nickelodeon and stuff like that, and it's really nice. And I've actually done a couple looks with their palette that I own, which is the one that I use today, and I'll be talking about that in a little bit. But before that, don't forget, if you like drugstore makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it. And let's just get right into it. This is take two, okay? Yeah. So the first time, it's pretty cloudy today. The sun came out for like a little bit and now it's gone. I tried filming with the flash. You guys know I film with my phone, in case you didn't know. So I tried doing with the flash. I've never done that, but I wanted to see how it looked, and then the lighting changed and it was like this whole fiasco. So here we go again. The box is already in the recycling bin, so we're not gonna be showing any boxes today because everything's gone, but I do remember the order and what came in what box. So we are unboxing two boxes from this brand. The first one is their mystery box. It is newer to their page and it retails for $20 on their website. I believe you get like 10 to 12 items, and each box is different. You get a bunch of like hair stuff, a couple makeup stuff, and so I'm gonna show you guys what was in that box. Of course, like for me, it's not a mystery anymore because I already opened it. Before we go into the mystery box, I wanted to let you guys know this is the palette that I used on the eyes today. This is their throwback palette, and it looks like this. It has a bunch of those nostalgic shows. If you guys have seen this, I think I talked about this in a video, right? I think it was in my colorful palette collection or something, and it's a really nice palette. I love the little characters on there. And yeah, so my favorites are like the Powerpuff Girls. I used to love that movie and show and stuff, and even now still sometimes watch it. But once you open it, you get a lot of like kind of pastel-y shades, and it is a little dirty because I just used it, but it's a really nice palette. And I did mix the pink and the red on the outer corner to create that color there, and it's so pretty. It's just to deepen up the pink, make it a little darker. And then on the lid, I use the pink and purple shimmers here. So this is a really beautiful palette. It retails for $25. I think this is going to be perfect for like for someone who likes like these characters or watch these shows or whatever. I think this is a perfect gift, and it's really nice and really affordable compared to these like high-end palettes that are coming out right now. It's a really cute concept, and the shades are really colorful and nice. So that is the palette that I have on the eyes. This is currently out of stock at the moment that I'm filming this, but I will have a link down below just in case it comes back in stock. $25, I think it's an okay price. So that's the palette. Okay, so for the mystery box, the first two items that I was really excited about were lashes. We got these, and these are the Bratty Babes eyelashes, and these don't have any styles to them or like names or anything, but this is a really cute style, I'd say. Like, it's really nice. They look fluffy, and I can't wait to try these on. So we got that pair, and then we also got these here, and these look really nice as well. So I was super excited about the lashes that we got in the mystery box. I felt like it was a nice addition. Lashes are something that's kind of universal, you know, for those people that like lashes. They could try them on and see if they like the style, and then people that don't, they could give them away to a friend or whatever, and it's nice. I felt like that was a nice addition. The other thing is we got a bunch of hair stuff, so let's talk about it. The one that I was like, okay, these are some that I might use because now that I cut my hair, I feel like it's easier for me to just throw in a clip, and it just makes my look. Like before, I used to have to put my hair up because it was so long, but I have been using these types of hairpins for a while now, so I'm glad that we got these in here. Now the colors are not something that I would have selected, maybe the top two, because my favorite color is purple, so those are nice. And then I feel like these are really kitty, like for kids, but I think for a nice nostalgic kind of moment or like for a video, I think that would be really cute to throw on. So I think this is okay. We also got a scrunchie. So we got this beautiful blue color. I think the color is amazing. I might gift this to my sister or my mom or someone because I don't really put my hair up as much anymore, but I feel like the color itself, it's really nice, and it's really soft and stretchy, so that's good. And then we also got a hair clip, and this is nice. I just broke mine, so I need another one, and this one's really pretty. Also got a glitter. So this glitter was really nice, and I'm glad that this was in here because I've been really experimenting with glitters and pigments on the eye just to add something extra, and I feel like this shade is really pretty, and I'm glad that they included this. We also received a lash glue, so I felt like this was another great addition because we actually got lashes in the box. So this is their Star Glue eyelash adhesive. I currently only have two. I have one from the Chamase sites, and then I have one from Ebin, New York. Both of them are amazing, so I like to compare this one to it as well and see if this works. And we're actually going to use all of the makeup that we get in today's video on Tuesday next week. If you're interested to see how everything works out, yeah, I forgot to mention that in the beginning, but we are using everything on Tuesday and we'll see how this works. We also received a gloss, and this is the Starry Sweet Kissing Lip Gloss, and I think this is really nice addition. Reminds me of the other one that I got from Beauty Treats, and that one I've really been enjoying. I've been wanting a clear gloss, so I think this is it's nice. It's a nice addition to the box as well. I think everything is nice. It's not like mind-blowing amazing, but I think it's, you know, it's okay. We got some jewelry as well. So we got the Crystal Collection earrings, and these look nice. These are some that I would wear. I could see myself wearing these, maybe with a nice black shirt or whatever. I think this is nice. And then the one that I was like, are these. So we got a bunch of colorful kind of like stud earrings, and the only thing is like this one here is like, you see how it's moved up, but I think these are, I keep saying nice, my gosh, these are perfect to like match with my eyeshadow. I feel like it's just gonna be really fun to use these. But yeah, not the most like luxurious looking earrings, but I think these were also okay for the price of the box. Now looking at everything together, would I have purchased everything on my own and spent $20? No, like I wouldn't have purchased any of this. Maybe just like the lashes, maybe the glitter and stuff, but for the mystery box, I honestly have to say I don't really recommend it if you're like older. I feel like this is a perfect box for somebody who's more of a high school, kind of middle school range, who's starting off with makeup is what I'm trying to say. So it's a really nice gift for like Christmas time now that it's coming up, with somebody who likes makeup and they want to kind of dip their toes in there. I think this is nice and it's a good option, but for me, I feel like it's not worth it compared to like, let's say the Beauty Creations makeup box that I unboxed last month. I think that one had all makeup in it, so I don't know, it's a little difficult. But yeah, I don't really recommend their mystery box. But let's get into the Sanderson Sisters bundle. For Halloween, they came out with a Sanderson Sisters palette, and it's really gorgeous, and I just had to pick it up. The palette itself is not sold individually, but it does come in a bundle with a bunch of great stuff. So if you want to see that portion, just keep on watching. I forgot to mention, in the mystery box you also get candy, but I just put it all in here. Like I said, this is my second round trying to film this. In the Sanderson Sisters bundle, you get this bag of candy, and you get this cute little sticker of Edward Scissorhands, which I think was a really nice addition to the box. It's just so cute. So that's already a bonus. Who doesn't like candy? So I think this is really cute. Something I thought was really random is the spoolie. Like they added a spoolie. I don't know, like, oh, I'm not gonna use this, so okay. And then the bundle does retail for $35. Not sure if I mentioned that. It retails for $35 and you get to choose your sister. So whoever your favorite sister is, you put it in there, and then whatever glitter is put in here or whatever, it's gonna kind of coincide with the color scheme of that sister. So the sister that I chose was Sarah, and these are the lashes that come with her little bundle, and I think this is just so adorable. And the box itself is so pretty. So this is the Sarah bundle, and these lashes just called out to me. They look so beautiful and fluffy and dramatic, and the little box is so sparkly and cute. So I can't wait to try these on. Again, these are the ones that I'm gonna use on Tuesday, so let's see how that goes. And we're gonna use the lash glue that we got as well, so that's gonna be really fun, and just they look so gorgeous. So I'm really excited to have chosen. And then you get like different options, whichever sister is your favorite, depending on the lashes you choose. So I think this is a really nice, such a cute like concept. I'm kind of glad that it's not sold separately, because I probably wouldn't have purchased a bundle, but I'm just glad that they had, it's just so cute. We also got a scrunchie in this bundle, and this is a really nice one. It's also like the same consistency, like squishy, it's stretchy, it's really soft, just like the blue one that we got in the other mystery box. Yeah, so those are the ones that I have so far. So now I have a purple and a blue, which is fun. And then we also got a glitter, which I think this is such a beautiful color. It's like kind of iridescent, it's purple. Can't wait to use this on the eyes on Tuesday. And then for the star of the show is the palette. So this is the Sanderson Sisters palette and it's so cute. I just finished swatching this on my TikTok, so if you want to see a closer look at those swatches, they're on there. And I'm also going to swatch it on Tuesday, hopefully, if I have some good makeup wipes, because oh my god, girl, wait till my empties video because I have some tea on some makeup wipes that I've been trying. Oh my god. But anyway, this one, first of all, the packaging is adorable, 10 out of 10. And then the color scheme, girl, this is so cute. They look so beautiful, don't they? It does come with 2 glitters. Okay, so you get this one here and that one up there, but oh my god, like look at these shades. It's so beautiful and I can't wait to use this on the eyes and tell you guys what I think. I feel like the swatches were really nice. It's really pigmented. I feel like they're gonna build up nicely, so fingers crossed that that look comes out nice, but we are gonna use this in that video as well. So for that bundle, I feel like it's really worth it. If you like the Sanderson Sisters, or if the color story speaks to you or whatever, pick it up. It's only $35 and you get a lot of amazing things. The only thing I'd say it's like kind of random is the spoolie, but all the other stuff is really cute. And yeah, I'm really glad that I picked that up. Again, the mystery box, I'd say you can skip out on, but the Sanderson Sisters box, I definitely recommend you check out. Like, yes. There is a link to all the boxes down below, or even the palette that I mentioned in the beginning. But yeah, that's it for today. We made it to the end. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, or any videos that I mentioned or uploaded last week are also going to be in the description box below. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen and post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.